Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about SmartRepricer listing inventory features. What can you do on from listing and what action you can make from the listing page and how you can manage your inventory with SmartRepricer easily. In order to do that, let's go back to our dashboards. From dashboards, we are going to click listing and inventory. So we will be able to see all of our inventory immediately. We will be able to see your ASIN number, if the product is going to be FPM or FPA. You are going to see ASIN number on the product name, is Repricing is on or off, and you are going to see which strategies assigned for this specific ASIN. You are going to see your listing price, your stock information, your inventory age, and your minimum maximum prices, and also buyback price, your competition price, your profit, and also your cost, and also your fees. You are going to see from the status is this active or not. You will be able to see your sales rank, an item condition, mapping price, and velocity. But let's get look what can we do or what action we can make on the Smart Pricer listing page. The first of all, we talk about columns. So you can organize all of your columns from ASIN, the product name, the repricer, the inventory age, the minimum price. So when you click any one of these, you are going to see this information, such as click FBA inbound quantity or FBA working quantity. And once I click that and apply, this information will be available on the listing. So let's get apply. And then we are going to see new additional columns that we have add together: FBA inbound quantity, FBA working quantity, and FBA ship quantity. You can play all of the columns and you can always update your columns, or if is there any specific columns you would like to see, you can just add and apply. These are the columns, but we have also filters, and we have a lot of filter option on SmartRepricer. So basically, for your inventory, all of your inventory, you can filter by FBA or FBM. So let's get choose FBM in here and let's get apply. So when you click apply, you are going to see all of your FBM product immediately. And besides that, as you can see, FBA product is going to be showing on the listing page, and even the product is being used or not, this information will be available. So in the filter page, you will be able to FBA filter FBA products, FBM products, products that reach the minimum price and maximum price, FBA seller competition products, Amazon competition products, favorites, Amazon back order products, out of stock listing, according to ASIN list. And you can also filter Repricer enable or disable, active or inactive listing, in buybacks or not in buybacks, product that I am the lowest, suppressed buybacks not eligible, product has a low inventory fee, and low inventory fee potential. These are the four filter that you can choose, but it's not done yet. You can also filter all of your products by inventory age from 0 to 30 to from 0 to 1 year and also plus. You can also filter all of your categories and sorry, you can also filter all of your listings by category, such as albums, the automotive, the beauty. And also you can also filter by tag. So if you have some favorites products in your listing, you can tag off that. And if you have a specific product about your bestseller, critical song, you can also filter on that too. You can also filter by sales rank, such as 1,000 to 100,000 or 10,000, or you can even look by or filter by page visits. You can also filter by item condition from new to all used to used like new. And also you can also filter from the velocity. And last two, you can look at your select at a time and you can choose you can choose a specific date. And lastly, you can also filter all of your products by strategy. If you want to see what products are included on sales poster preset, you just need to filter. So we talk about columns, filter, but another option on listing page on SmartRepricer, you can download all of your product without easily. So once you have downloaded all of your product, it's going to be selected with your filters, and this filter is going to apply to listing, and you are going to download. Let me show how you can do that. I'm just going to choose these ones, and when you are going to see bulk action will be appear. So all you need to do, download selected or download for file upload. So on the listing page, you can choose all of your products by column, you can choose all of your products by filter, and also you can download all of your selected products. But there are additional steps that you can also make from for your listing. So let's get review all of these. Let's get say you would like to make some changes, and these changes going to be manual. So if you want to update your prices manually, or if you want to update your prices and your cost information or the other information about your listing, all you need to do is that you just need to come to listing page, and once you're in here, you can change or update all of your information. And you can do these changes by bulk either. So for an example, if you would like to choose or if you want to make some adjustments for your product, you can set your minimum maximum price immediately. So let's say minimum maximum price, and once you do that, you can also add your or update your cost information either. So that's how by manually you are changing your product information for your listing. When you click update, as you can see, I have locked the price, so I can also update any other minimum price and maximum price for my listing. So you can also look your additional cost information, and you can also change either, and also you can look all of the other related features for your listing. So what if you would like to make much more product updates? You can do this. So once you from reach out your inventory, just click from the first tick, and you are going to see bulk action appear. And you can do this process from the listing page. On the bulk action, you are going to do this. You can download all of your product, you can Repricer toggle enable or disable, and you can set a strategy for your selected products, and you can assign them any other one. And also from there, you can jump to 100 product and you can select all of them. And the other actions you can make from bulk action, you can enable time-boxed repricing, such as in the next 100 minutes from the listing page, you can decide your use my minimum price, use my maximum price, customize my price from the current maximum or minimum price, or you can be the lowest. And your product will be priced according to the workflow you set in here until time is over. So besides that, there is also additional action you can make. You can make bulk update for 100 product for your choose. You can update cost, all of them, or you can also update the frequency, such as like every 5 minutes update my prices, or you can also update shipping costs for all the selected products. And lastly, from the listing page for the bulk action, you can also tag add and delete any other product on your listing. So when you click this, you need to choose, and once you do that, you just need to put the tag bestseller, critical stock, and use. So basically, on the listing page, you will be have a chance to arrange your columns. You can filter your products with from FBA to FBM to by the inventory edge. You can download all of your product, and also you will be have a chance to make bulk action for your selected items. Don't forget to look at your 10 to 100 option from there. So if you want to make so much update, you need to choose 100. So that was the listing page features. We have so many video were upcoming, and we are going to talk about SmartRepricer, every detail and every filter and every feature you are going to see. See you soon again, and goodbye.